Hey there, Joanne Del Pizzo. You may already know me if you're getting this in my newsletter, but if not, I just want to share a few things today about home selling. For most people, a home isn't just a property, it's like a chapter full of memories. And getting it ready to sell can be kind of emotional and a little overwhelming. And I'm always here to help you walk through exactly how to prepare a home. So there's clarity, there's confidence, and a whole bunch of strategy that goes into it. So, a couple points I just want to bring up. What do you think, like what to prioritize before you're getting ready to list a home? And we always start with the basics. We want any of the impacts, any of the updates you make to be impactful. We want buyers to walk in and feel confident and excited about the home. And that can sometimes mean like fresh paint, a deep cleaning, simple repairs like a squeaky door or leaky faucet. So don't stress about a full renovation. Just make the home feel really well cared for and move in ready. That goes a long way. Decluttering and neutralizing. That's another key point. So think about decluttering of is you're already starting to pack. You're going somewhere. You know you're going to be selling. So get it packed up and then you're like halfway there. The goal is always to let buyers to see themselves living in your home. So we got to clear off the countertops. We got to take down some personal items. We want to choose like soft neutral tones wherever possible. So we're not like erasing your personality. We're just kind of creating a clean canvas so that they can envision themselves living there. And I guess I'm going to say, remember, there's a lot of people that could be involved. It could be yourself selling. You could have a partner or a spouse. Communication is really key. I help guide families through decisions to kind of keep it stress-free and drama-free. We work with checklists and we bring in professionals wherever we need to. It's a team effort. So if you're ready to sell and want a clear plan on how to kind of go about this, message me. I'll be happy to help make this a really smooth transition or just educate you about the current market. Thanks for watching and happy prepping.